Alright, here we have a 124 scale Dodge Charger. This is decaled as a Pine Bluff Police Department car with a few, just a couple changes to it. This one has flashing headlights and taillights, blue grille strobes, blue fog light strobes, and blue reverse light strobes. Working driver's side spotlight. And as you guys asked, the wheels were painted with an aluminum look. Proper decals on the fenders that you guys wanted. Also added the challenging the past, changing the future underneath the police decal. Of course, those of you in Pine Bluff know that's not actually on the cars, but this is builds for something else. Anyway, for someone there. Unit number 100, license plate. Same antennas as the one that you saw on YouTube, and of course those decals continue to the same or the other side. The doors do open on this, front doors, as well as the hood. Pop that open. I'll go over the interior a little bit. Probably just wait till I turn the light on. Said I didn't have any more of those police consoles. As you can see in there, I did have one. You can see the microphone on the dash. I don't know if the coiled cord is showing up. I made a little coiled cord to attach to that as well for the mic. Basically, that's it for the interior. You'll see the laptop with my decals on there. Again, you'll see the work light here in just a second. When it comes time to change the battery on this, no need to take all of the screws out. Just take these two screws here out that are in the mufflers. And once you pull those out, or take those screws out, you can just slide this back bumper piece off, and then you can change the battery through there. A lot easier than taking all the screws out and trying to get everything lined back up. So again, just remove these two screws here, and then just pull this bottom bumper. This bottom will kind of pull apart, and you can just slide this rear bumper off of here. So the one power switch under here. Go and press that. Go over the lighting real quick. I don't guess we have to do it real quick, but if I don't, my batteries will run down. Flashing headlights. Again, you can see your grille strobes and your fog light strobes. If my camera will pick them up, at least you can see the wig-wag part of it there. Those are triple strobe wig-wags. So your right grille light and your left fog light will flash at the same time. They're wired to the same output of the circuit board. See your driver's side spotlight. Blue strobe light bar. On the back, flashing tail lights, along with your blue strobe reverse lights. Again, same patterns as the front. Those are triple strobe right there. It just looks like one flash, but it's triple strobe. Again, flashing tail lights. You see the antennas that I added. You can see through the back window, see the laptop in there. A little better look here. And you can see the radio console a little bit better, as well as the microphone. Coiled cord you can kind of see coming out from under the, you can see it at the edge of the steering wheel right here. Kind of comes around over to the radio console from the microphone. Microphone is mounted to the dash. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order. I know the recipient will love the thing. Like I said, thank you guys for letting me build it for him. And I assumed him for this person. And like I said, I appreciate the order. I'll get this shipped out as soon as possible. I'll send you the tracking number once I do that. Again, thank you very much.